Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install Microsoft Edge Chromium on Windows 10. Okay, so you need to go to this website. I will place this website link in the video description. You can check it out. So let me copy this and just open your web browser and go to address bar and paste this website link and hit enter on the keyboard. Okay guys, so we are on this page of Microsoft Edge Insider channels, and here we have three different channels: beta channel, developer channel, and Canary channel. So the beta channel, it is updated every 6 weeks. It's not available yet. You can see coming soon for Windows 10. And this is the developer channel, updated weekly, and this is the Canary channel, updated daily. Okay, so you can, if you want to try this Microsoft Edge Chromium, you can download any, like Canary channel or developer channel. And guys, this is only the preview. This is not still even the beta channel, so the issues are expected. Okay, so I'm just trying this developer channel, updated weekly, so it is more stable than this Canary channel. So, and also if I scroll down, you can see guys, for Windows 8.1 it's coming soon, for Windows 8 also coming soon, and 7 coming soon. For Mac OS also it's coming soon. So if you want to try this Microsoft Edge Chromium, you can just this developer channel, just click on this download for Windows 10, this button, and here we have download Microsoft Edge developer channel. Okay, so here are some Microsoft license term for Microsoft Edge. You can read it if you are interested. Okay, and just click on this accept and download this button. You can see thank you, your download will begin shortly. So just choose the place where you want to download this. So I want it on my desktop, this setup file, and then click on this save button. You can see at the bottom left of my browser it's downloading. Okay, so it's now downloaded, I think. So let's go to the desktop. So here we have the setup file. So just double click on it. You can see welcome to Insider community. A first look at Microsoft Edge Insider builds. You can see it's downloading. Here you can see the time remaining. So you just need to wait. A few seconds remaining. So download done. It's installing. So it's now done. Okay guys, so here you can see we now have Microsoft Edge Chromium. The developer channel is installed on Windows 10. You can see welcome to Microsoft Edge developer channel. And if I click on these three dots, you can see here we have the menu and other things. Okay guys, so in this way you can download and install Microsoft Edge Chromium on Windows 10. And suppose guys, if you want to remove and if you don't like this, so how you can do that? Just go to this Windows 10 Start button, click on this settings, and click on this apps, and here we have apps and feature. Click on this and you need to scroll down and you need to find the Edge Chromium. So let me find this. Here you can see guys, Microsoft Edge developer we just installed. So just click on this and click on this uninstall this button. This app and its related info will be uninstalled. So just click on this uninstall and uninstall Microsoft Edge. Are you sure you want to uninstall Microsoft Edge? Also clear your browsing data. If you like, you can check this and then click on this uninstall button. And you can see guys, it's now uninstalled. You can see Microsoft Edge has been uninstalled. So guys, in this way you can easily download and install Microsoft Edge Chromium on Windows 10 and also uninstall it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.